Second question of Sister Sanders from Germany. Is wiping the ears a part of the wudu? Is it wajib or is it simply sunnah? According to the vast majority of the scholars, Malik, Shafi'i, Imam Abu Hanifa and others, it is recommended, so it's sunnah. It is not mandatory. According to Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal, it's wajib because he believes that the ears are part of the head. And it has been seen that the Prophet ﷺ, every time wiped over his head, he also wiped his ears, the inner and the outer part of the ears. In the hadith of Al-Rubayya, she said, I have seen the Prophet ﷺ wiping over his head, ما أقبل منه وما أدبر وصدغيه وأذنيه مرة واحدة. So she said, this is what I've seen the Prophet ﷺ doing. He did like this one, this is once, and also the ears, مرة واحدة, only مرة واحدة, which means only once. So, not because the vast majority of the scholars said it is sunnah, we skip it. It is enough for us to understand that Ibn Abbas and Al-Rubayya and those who narrated to us that the Prophet ﷺ, whenever performing wudu, used to wipe over his head and would include his ears, the inner and the outer part. That's it. But the question is, in case that somebody forgot, would that invalidate their wudu? No, it would not invalidate their wudu, according to the opinion of the